All right, currently new scenery. We are in the Aspen penthouse, and we will be doing a little back test today since you guys been asking for it. Got the lower decky in this time, and we are locked in and ready to go. All right, let's go. All right, hold on. Let me share my screen. All right. Of course, 10-minute mail. Not paying for this fucking FX replay subscription, bro. All right, back test sesh. Back test sesh. We'll go 50K. NQ. ES. All right, what month should we do? All right, I've pretty much done all of 2025. So 2024. What should we do? November. Fuck it. All right, November 1st. Let me fix this time right here to 9/29 plus a month. All right, there we go. Okay. Let's get rid of this shit. Fix this up right here. I don't think I'm gonna do the full month. I think I'll do like 2 weeks, cause bro, you guys are not watching a 2-hour long video or an hour long video of me back testing, cause I'd be taking my time with this. All right, we're good here. All right, what is this? UTC 5, custom settings. Next. All right, 9:30. All right, we're all good to go here. All right, let's see. Hold up. All right, let's see. All right, November 1st, Friday. Okay, let's mark out draws. Previous day's low, daily swing low. If we want to move higher, we have this unfilled 4-hour and this 4-hour swing high, I guess. We'll see. I mean, I'd expect us to move lower, but we'll see. If we want to rebalance the range, this unfilled 4-hour is perfect for that. London low. All right, we're good here. I'll mark out Asia low just cause. All right, let's see what happens. Yeah, this is literally why it takes me forever to back test, because I might have to mark out my draws. I don't have my indicator like I do on TradingView. Oh, we're inside. All right, we're inside this 15-minute gap. Doesn't seem like we're holding it. No, don't like that. Yeah, we're disrespecting this 15-minute gap that we're in right here. Fucking tiny ass gap anyways. Am I gonna get an entry? Okay, hold on. We had news. Oh, 10 a.m. ISM. No retrace, no nothing. Ooh, okay. I mean, I'm not gonna say I'm gonna take this right here because there literally was no retrace. So this is like, if we swept out this low, this would be better to target the sun for 4-hour. But like, dude, I'm not gonna just take this random candle confirmation. There has to be like some sort of lower time frame narrative. Let me make sure there was no SMT. Yeah, no SMT. So it's not like I missed a trade there, just no entry. All right, we'll see. We're in this 4-hour now. Let's see what happens. We still have that 4-hour. Nah, 4-hour swing has 200 points away. Let's see. All right, so we formed this 15-minute gap here. Let me take this out. Let's see. We are in this 4-hour gap. Obviously, I'm not going to like try to target these lows down here, but if we can even get something like into this unfilled 15-minute, which I normally don't do, but Like there's no higher draws. If I'm gonna get a trade, it'll be like to rebalance the range pretty much. So we'll see. So we have the unfilled 15-minute down here. That'll be the draw. This. Let's see if we got another nice closure. Nope. Okay. Now we're talking. Are we in a 5-minute or anything? Oh, this will be perfect. Break even in this 5-minute. This is something I've been backtesting more. I haven't really. None of my other videos I've showed trading into like lower time frame gaps, right? But we're still in this 4-hour. Obviously, I can't fucking target all the way down there. So take a reasonable draw, unfilled 15-minute. Perfect. I'm taking this. Beautiful candle closure. Beautiful break even in this 5-minute. Perfect. I'm taking that. Save. All right, let's see. Oh, damn it. Oh, all right, break even. Bang. Nice. Easy. Bro. Beautiful candle closure. Higher time frame narrative, right? We're obviously trying to IRL to ERL, right? You can't target the whole fuck. Can't even catch my words, but we're not gonna target the full target the low. Bro, I can't even talk right now. All right, you guys got what I'm saying. I wonder if we do get down there, but the rest of the day, yeah, barcode. All right, so we're good. We'll take that. Next day open. All right. All right, we have daily swing low, unfilled daily gap, 4-hour swing high up here, and then we have a lot of lower draws. 4-hour swing low. I'm not even gonna mark that out. All right. Obviously, I'd like to see us move lower. Simple IRL to ERL context, right? We're holding this 4-hour gap, so obviously want to see us move lower. All right, let's see where we can move lower from. All right, so we have this 15-minute right here, which is going to get created at open. All right, retrace literally right away. Ooh. Okay. Right at open. 931. I mean, bro, there's not much more that I could ask for here. There is not much more. Do I target the bottom is the question. Do I target the bottom? How far would the bottom be? 89 points. All right. I'm going to do that. I mean, the draw does not get more obvious than this, right? And I'll go break even here. All right, that's what I'm doing. I could also take profit there. All right, I'm not going to be a little pussy. I'm taking it to the bottom. $500 risk. Yeah, so I'd use like 5 micros here. All right, yeah, we're letting that play. All right. All right. Ooh, nice displacement right away. Break even. All right. Bro, don't do it to me. Don't do it to me. Come on. Don't do it to me, NASDAQ. Bro, I know this is a back test, but like, are we for real? Bro, we can't be for real right now. And I literally said, should I take profit at it is what it is, bro. That's literally That's literally trading for you. 4 points away from TP, but okay, it is what it is. Wow, that's so annoying. All right. I mean, we're rejecting off these 4-hour lows. We have these highs up here. Let's see if we could use that hourly high. All right. I did not expect that. I thought we were flushing through. Wow. Okay. All right. I mean, clearly looking to go higher here. If this 5 minute can close above that high, I don't normally take 5 minute entries, but okay. I think we could do this. Go break even here. Take profit at that high. I mean, clearly rejecting off these 4-hour lows. The next closest draw is this swing high. I mean, yeah, this 15-minute gap's getting inversed. All right. Draw's pretty obvious. Nice candle closure. I'm not getting this 5 minute IFG was too early, to be honest. But this candle closure was much better. This I'm willing to take. All right. So let's do this. I definitely do take 5 minute closures here and there. Just definitely not often, but I definitely do it. All right. Yeah, we'll take this. I'm not going to target I'm not going to target that drop. This is perfect. 1.63R. We're good here. Oh, fuck, hold on. All right. All right, break even there. Oh, come on, not another break even, bro. I already had enough for today. Oh, holy shit. Literally a tick away from my break even. No way. What is this delivery? Dude. Wick my break even, wick my TP, right? Okay. Okay, yeah. There we go. Easy. Dude, I'm like still surprised that we went higher. Like I surprised that we didn't flush through. Like we completely edged that low. We've edged it so many times. We've edged it one. Now this is the second time, but okay. I mean, let's see how we react at this. We do have a nice 15-minute gap, like right in the middle of the range. Let's see how we react here. Let's see after sweeping that hourly high. Bro. Ooh. I love my candle closures. Let me make sure there's no 5-minute gap that we're coming into. All right, and I could just go break even at this low. That's what I'm gonna do. Wow, 3 trades in a day, but if the PA is clean, the PA is clean. All right, I'm taking that. Like sweeping this hourly high, beautiful candle closure. Like, yeah, we gotta do it. We'll go stop loss right there. Take profit at that 15-minute gap. Break even 5-minute. Perfect. Yeah, lower risk. That's perfect. It's already late in the day too, 11:16. But let's see. All right, I'm going break even. Bang, easy. Damn, and we kept going lower. I mean, obviously, I'm not going to be like, oh, I knew price was going to get all the way down there. Like, no, like, I didn't. So just take profit at the obvious draws and call it a day. Yeah, going to next day. We'll take it. 3 trades already. All right, let's see. What do we got going? Previous day's high, unfilled daily gap. And then we have these lows that kept getting edge, previous day's low. And then obviously that daily swing low below it too. And I'm only going to do 2 weeks, by the way. I'm not going to fucking sit here for 2 hours and bore you guys. But, all right. Hourly. I'll mark out this London low here. All right. I think that's good. Is this a 4-hour swing low? Yeah. All right. We have this 4-hour swing low too. That's it. All right. Seems like we're already inversing the 15-minute gap at open. All right. Wait. I didn't mark that out. Okay. All right. So we'll just see what happens at open, right? No like clear bias at the moment. Okay. Straight pump. Okay. All right, so we formed the 2-minute gap. Let's see if we can get the retrace. Ooh, all right. This is something I've been taking way more often, like when we're so close to the draw and we create this, like we create a gap, we're so close to the draw. It's like either we retrace or we don't. Like, yeah, this is something I definitely been, if you've been watching my trade recaps, I literally took something similar not too long ago, actually. I'll go stop loss there. Wait. No, that's too much. I'll go at the wick. I mean, the body. I'm just going to go for a 1-to-1 since we got no retrace, right? We're forming a 5-minute. I mean, yeah, we are forming a 5-minute. We have a 3-minute, so I'm not going to go for the full. I'm not going to go to that second draw. I'm just going to take a 1-to-1 here. Because I'm obviously, like, I could expect the retrace. Uh-oh. All right, easy. Like, do we get to that second draw? Oh, thank goodness. All right, hold up. Oh, all right. So we did get a 5-minute retrace. We left that draw. Let's see. All right, 5-minute retrace. Ooh. Do I like this? I gotta take it, right? Nice rejection wick. Beautiful candle closure. Yeah, I'm taking this. Tis is nice. All right, we'll go stop loss at the first candle's low. Take profit right there. All right, beautiful. This should rip to the draw. All right. Let's see. Uh-oh. Are you serious, dude? Come on, don't tell me I get wicked out like that. Yeah, bro. I mean, I'm not gonna be like, I should have had my stop loss all the way on here. Like, I did not expect it, but it is what it is. I could have, right, realistically, but I usually just like going at the second candle's lower high. Or the first candle. Whenever taking candle confirmation entries, like I always just like putting my stop loss either at the body or the wick of the first candle. But yeah, I should have noticed this huge rejection wick. I should have maybe put it in the middle, but yeah, I can't complain. It is what it is. I think that's the first loss. All right. It is what it is. Let's see how price plays out if we get to that other draw. Yeah, literally by a fucking tick. Yeah, it is what it is. I'm assuming we're just gonna barcode here. Yeah, I mean we took out all the draws. All right, next day open. All right, let's see daily. All right, inverse those daily gaps. We have that daily swing high up there. Rejecting this 4 hour. All right. I mean, that's literally that's my only draw, bro. There's no reason to go lower, to be honest. I'm not even gonna mark out the lower draws. All right, so no entry to that first. Yeah, I would have got no entry there. Let's see if we get something to that daily swing high. Ooh, don't do it. All right, we might be cooked here. Yeah, we got cooked there. No entry. All right, whatever. There literally was no possible entry for me there. Oh, I didn't miss anything. Let's see. All right, we do have this wickless candle here, this wickless 5-minute. And this is perfect. This was the last draw, so let's see if we could go lower here. I don't know if we're gonna go higher, but we'll see. If we go lower, this would be perfect. This wickless 5-minute, rebalance the range. No. Okay. Now we're getting somewhere. Okay, this is nice here. I mean, no reason to go higher. Inverse this gap, last line of defense. Obvious draw. I gotta take this. I'll just do a 1-to-1 here. I'm not gonna target this. I could target AM lows, but I'm not gonna try to short inside of a 5-minute gap. I'll just take a 1-to-1. Yeah, I think this is fine. Yeah, easy. Let's see if we do get down to the 930 lows. Yeah, it is what it is. I'm not holding a short position inside of a bullish 5-minute gap. That's fine. All right. Let's see how price action looks for the rest of the day here. Yeah, just gonna range here as I assumed. All right. All right, we're good. Daily. Are we at all-time highs, bro? Don't tell. Yeah. Of course, I pick a random month, and of course, it ends up being an all-time high month. But all right, we'll try to navigate it. We'll be good. Let's see. All right, so if we do go lower, try to rebalance the range. We have that unfilled 4-hour there. Now we have no higher draws, but like typically when we're at all-time highs, like what I'll do is like I'll just set like drawn liquidities like this, like 21,100, right? Just like straight like what are these numbers called? Prime numbers or bro, you guys get what I'm talking about, but like some shit like that. Like there's like what the fuck am I supposed to target, right? We're at all-time highs. There's nothing for me to target here. So I'll just do some shit like that. If we obviously if we continue going higher. All right, let's see. This, bro, I hate all-time high months. I'm sure everyone does. Bro, like, what are we supposed to do here? I mean, need a retrace, obviously. All right, 5-minute retrace. We're gonna inverse this gap. Oh yeah, now we're talking. Beautiful candle closure, close above that high. Yeah, having inverse that 5-minute. Gorgeous, gorgeous, beautiful. We're in there. Go break even at this high right there. Holy crap. I thought we were about to get stomped out. No, we're good. Break. I don't even have to go break even. Yeah. Okay. I mean, bro, literally, bro, at all-time high months, there's literally not much you could do except wait for a retrace and just take it to that high, bro. There's literally nothing you can do. It's so annoying. All right, I'm not even gonna try to like see what else we do today. Like, I don't. Yeah. All right, barcode next day. Another all-time high day. Yup. All right. Do I even mark out fucking previous day's low? Oh, okay. We have some structure here. So we have this 4-hour swing high. We got some structure. I guess I'll mark London high. All right, let's see. Just see what we do here. Go on the 5-minute. All right, so we're in this 5-minute gap. Let's see if we did we inverse it here. All right, this 5-minute got inversed. All right, we're in this 15-minute gap. Not sure how much I like it with this large rejection wick, but it's not the best, but all right, we'll see. This is rough. I hate that rejection wick on the 15, but it's a nice candle closure. I have to. And I'll go light risk here. This is definitely not A+, but is there a 2-minute that we're in? We're also in this 2-minute looks, we're not fully inversing it, so definitely risky, definitely not A+, but I'll take it. All right, we'll take it. I'll take it. Not A+. I would not be surprised if this doesn't play out. 450. Bro, to be honest, I don't know. I'm not taking this. If it plays out, it plays out, but I'm not taking it. Yeah. All right. W no trade. W no trade. I mean, it's just like 2-minute didn't get fully inversed. Large rejection wick on the 15. Like, if we were gonna go higher, we would have continued here. Like, there was no reason for us to retrace down here after pretty much coming like all the way up here. It just makes no sense. All right, so good no trade. All right, we'll see if we get anything else here. Barcode. Holy barcode of a day. Yep. Good day not to trade. Yeah, it's a Friday. No news Friday. All right. All right. Yeah, no need to force a trade here. All right, this is gonna be my last week. Just gonna 5 more days and that's it. All right, we have a new week opening gap. Yeah, nice NWOG. I'll mark out Asia low right there. Is there anything else here? All right, I mean, that's about it. This draw is way too far. Not really, actually. I'll mark it out. We'll see. All right, let's see what happens here. All right, obviously I'm targeting NWOG. Is there a 5-minute gap here? Oh, I mean, we're already at 9:20. We retrace into that 5-minute. Oh, are we in a 3-minute gap? No. No. Yeah. Do I take this 1-minute CC? There's literally no point, bro. It's 5 points away from the draw. But I mean, obviously it's gonna hit, but see, I mean, I could have taken a 1-minute. I mean, 1-to-1 here, but there's no point. I definitely could have. All right, it is what it is. I definitely could have taken a 1-to-1. Then I'd have nowhere. Like, I would have got break even anyways. I would have went break even here, got break even on this candle. That's fine. All right, let's see if we get down to that low. Otherwise, nothing much else I want to take. All right, let's see if we get a retrace here of some sort. Okay. We have 15 minutes, so I'm not taking that 5. All right, there we go. 15-minute retrace. Let's see. Has to be instant rejection. It's already 10:35. No. Did we form a 5-minute here? Yeah. All right. This is at this point trapped order flow, right? In between a 5-minute, in between a 15 and 5-minute. So there's nothing. There's nothing I'm taking here. Trapped order flow, guys. Trapped order flow. In a 15-minute, in a 5-minute, price is just stuck between the two. So 11:25. Yeah, I'm not. No trades. No trades. No trades. All right. Next day. All right. We have this daily swing low or previous day's low. We have this 4-hour swing high up here. Let's see. I mean, obviously, IRL, right? I'm expecting this daily gap to hold, so obviously this is my draw for today, IRL to ERL. All right, let's see the 4-hour. We have this 4-hour swing high. All right, that's about it. This is like the obvious draw for today for me. All right, let's see what happens at open. Oh. 3-minute gap, please. All right, there we go. Retrace. Ooh. All right. We're looking good here. All right. I can't just take. If we got another nice candle closure, I'm taking it. Nope. Did this 3-minute. All right, we in risk, bro. To be honest, bro, if we were gonna go higher, this 3-minute would have pushed us higher. Like, there's literally nothing else that I'd want to take. At this point, like, the rest of the day is probably gonna barcode. I mean, we did take that high, but like, there was nothing for me no entry there for me. Bro, I just know, like, when certain gaps fail, like, it's just like the rest of the day is, let's see if I'm right. The rest of the day looks like this almost all the time. Like, we did end up taking out that draw, but it's like just a range day. All right, so another no trade back to back. All right, Wednesday. I have 3 more days left. All right, hold on. Let's mark out the draws. All right, previous day's low. Previous day's high. Daily swing high. I mean, I say this all the time, but bro, this is literally what you guys should be doing every market open too. Like, you should always know where the prominent draws are. Very important. All right, so that looks like it's all. All right, we're in this 15-minute gap at open. Let's see. Ooh. Hmm. Hold on. This is a 5-minute gap. It's small. We had this 3-minute here. Ooh. I like this. I like this. All right. I like this right here. Beautiful close below that low as well. That's something I always look for. Like, when we fail to displace the first time, and then wow, I can't talk. When we fail to displace the first time out of a gap, we resweep it, candle closure. I love when it's below that low. Like, that's something I always look for. All right, this is beautiful. I'm taking this. I can't take it at the body, so I'm gonna do the wick. There we go. All right. We have beautiful lower draws as well. Oh, yeah. This is beautiful. How far is this? 94 points. Fuck it, right? Yeah. I'll just go break even after we take out this low down here. All right, let's see. Uh-oh. Fuck. No. Okay, break even. Bro. Not again, bro. Come on. This is gonna be the second time in the video that I get edged like that. Horrible delivery. Dude, bro. That shit edged my break even by. Second time in the video, boys. Second time in the video. Literally less than 2 points, bro, away from TP. Are we serious? Well, it is what it is, bro. Like, the draw's, like, so obvious, but yeah, literally edged by 2 points. Oh, well, it is what it is. I'm not. Yeah, there's literally nothing else for me to look for here. Let's see. Yeah, it's already 12:45. All right, next day. Wow, that fucking sucks, dude. But it is what it is. All right. Previous day high, daily swing high. I mean, we're still holding this daily gap, so like, could expect price to go higher, but we'll see. All right, daily swing low. Let's go on the 4 hour. Nothing here. All right, we have London high and London low. All right, let's see what we get. All right, instantly manipulate into this 15-minute gap, or what I assume to be manipulation. Let's see if it holds. 9:30 candles wickless, which is perfect. All right, that gets taken out right away. Do we no? All right. Resweep of that 15-minute high. Now we're talking. Look at these like garbage closes. Now look at this close. Like this is what we like right here. Beautiful candle confirmation entry. Oh, I can't get it right. All right, there we go. Let's see. All right. I'm letting this ride all the way down to the bottom. Yeah, relative equal lows. We got to take it. That's nice. I like that. I love that resweep of that 15-minute high. All right. Let's place the order. All right. We're in there. I'll go break even at this low down here. Holy fuck, beautiful displacement right off the bat. Don't edge me again, bro. Dude, I can't take another edge. No. There we go. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I mean, just beautiful draws at the bottom. Like, amazing. All right. Well, all my draws are taken, so I'm not going to take anything else today. Yeah, there the barcode goes. All right. Next to open. What is this, Friday? All right. Let's see. Last day. Let's see if we get a trade. I don't know how long this video is, but all right, this is rough. We don't really have anywhere to go lower. Huge overnight expansion. Top 3 sign up low probability conditions during, yeah, 230 point dump during Asia. All right, we'll see. If we want to go higher, if we want to rebalance, that unfilled 4 hour is perfect. And if we continue going lower, that 4 hour swing low. That's pretty much only draws. Yeah. What is this right here? All right. Yeah, that's London low. I'll mark out Asia high for the fuck of it. All right. Let's see. 15-minute. All right. Let's let it play out. Straight dumpage right away, dude. Okay. All right. 5-minute retrace. We're still far from the draw, so it's gonna be hard to catch a trade all the way down there, but let's see. You guys know me. Beautiful candle closure. Have I even taken a single IFG trade this whole video? I think one. Bro, candle claw formations are so goated. So goated. All right, I'm not gonna the draws over 100 points away, so I'm not gonna target that forward swing low. This is perfect, bro. I could just do this, like, in the direction of the draw. We have this low right here. Yeah, I'm just gonna take this. This is enough. We'll take this. Come on. Candle confirmations are goated, bro. All right. That's it. That was 2 weeks worth of price action. I'm not gonna sit here for another 2 weeks for you guys. All right. Oh, let's see what the stats are looking like. That was actually a fire 2 weeks. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I missed 2024 price action so bad. It was so clean. Where's the analytics here? Oh, I'm missing it. Fuck. Let me move this. All right. Let's see what the stats are looking like here. Bro, this is not bad for 2 weeks worth of price action. 13 RR, 6.5K P&L. Solid. Solid as fuck. Damn, 90% win rate. Wow. Solid as fuck. I thought I took a loss. Oh, well, I made it back, right? Okay. Solid ass 2 weeks. Yeah, didn't trade 3 days in a row, but obviously no need to force setups when they're not there. I mean, bro, The green days pile up and minimize the red days. That's all it is. Wow, fire has 2 weeks. Damn. All right. W backtest in the Aspen crib, Colorado. All right. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you want another backtest video, let me know. Or you could comment a random month and I'll do a month that you guys choose. And yeah, peace. Oh, don't forget, join the free Discord. The link is in the description. Like the video, subscribe, and I'm gonna start posting more on YouTube. I'm sorry, I know, but peace.